Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you when I'm bored, what do I do in my room. So I'm sorry if this room is a little tiny bit messy. I will clean it up soon because, yeah. So I'll just put you guys right there. And yeah, so most of the time I actually go on my tablet, which I'm recording with. And yeah. And sometimes I draw because drawing is super fun. If you haven't tried drawing, you should. And also one of my favorite things to do when I'm bored in my room is to play some Roblox. A lovely computer. Like I was gonna say, me showing me wearing clothes and showing my family like a model. Here, I went to the store yesterday. I'm gonna show you. Alright guys, so the truth is I'm actually bored. I really want to do a video with you guys. So, yeah. Right now I'm gonna do a haul. So let's just get right into it. So, I wasn't planning this, so if I just got it out of my closet. I wasn't really planning this. So I guess I'm a little cringe. But yeah. So the first thing that I got from the mall, which is in the mall, I got it from H&M. This Mickey Mouse sweatshirt. There's a hoodie. It says Mickey. And then mouse. So I think it's super cute. And alright guys, I got a jacket, a raincoat, so I'll show you that later. Maybe. So yeah. Anyways, so comment down below. Alright, wait. So, we're gonna do this challenge thing, okay? You are gonna be trying to do like and subscribe in 10 seconds. Okay, ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Done. And if you guys did that, those two easy steps, super easy steps, comment down below if you did that, and I would love to give you a shout out, guys. So yeah, so just comment down below and then I'll give you a shout out. What's wrong with that? And then you'll get a shout out. You know what? It's worth it because you'll get a shout out. Okay. Okay. So, tell me what's your favorite color in my palette. Comment down below. Number 1. Do number 1 in number 1 row. Wait, let me just close this. Do number 1 in the row and number 1 row, and just pick the number of the thing. It'll go this way, not this way. So number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. and then pick and tell me what row you pick, so I know what color do you like and I can use. Yeah. So comment down below what you guys do when you're bored. Because if you're bored, then of course you're gonna do something. And yeah. I just did a video about my room tour, so go check that out too. I think it will be in the description because I kind of don't know how to link stuff in the description. So yeah, I'll tell you the name of it, and the name will be linked in the description. So the name, not the link. So it'll be in the description. Okay, so just go check that out, and maybe you could just see it when you're checking out my videos. So yeah. What else to talk about? What else? Oh yeah, do you like my shirt? It says Born to Shine. So cute. I love this shirt so much. So yeah. Alright, guys. Just please like and subscribe so I can give you a shout out. Like, I'll check every single day. I'll do 2 shout outs every single day. So you just need to do those challenges, liking and subscribing. Maybe check out the description if you would like to. So yeah. And if you did, be like, I liked and subscribed. And if you did, just say hashtag Orange Squad, which would be so nice. And I'll just give you a shout out. So I got my Sharpie all ready until I post this video and you see it. So yeah, guys, hope you like this video. The title is gonna be right here. As you can see in the title, I'm really not doing anything. I'm just super bored, and yeah. So do that challenge, and yeah. Love you guys so much. Peace.